How to fix PicsArt app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix PicsArt app not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings, click on settings, and now you have to go to install apps. Click on install apps and search for PicsArt. So click on PicsArt and now you can see force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And again you can see storage. Click on storage and you have to clear all the data. Now you have go back and you can see app permission. Click on app permission and then allow all the permission. And then you have to restart your phone and reopen the app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.